AI is slowly making human dumb. The more we use ChatGPT and other AI tools, the less we use our own thinking. I know this topic feels uncomfortable because I myself have used AI a lot in the last 2.5 years. I have promoted AI openly, but the new scientific research coming out now is very shocking, and it's my responsibility to tell you the facts of those studies. Subscribe if you ever used AI and watch this video till last for some facts. We all believe that using AI would make us smarter, but in many cases, AI is making us dumb. People are thinking less. People are becoming mentally lazy. Friends, let's go back about 10 years. Try to remember. How many phone numbers did you remember back then? Maybe five, maybe seven, maybe at least two or three. Now think about today in 2025. How many phone numbers do you remember now? Maybe only one, maybe none. Why does this happen? Because today all phone numbers are saved in our phone, so our brain does not try to remember them. The same thing happened with directions. Earlier when you went somewhere, you remembered the roads. You remembered shops, buildings, and landmarks. Today, what do? We open Google Maps, we follow the blue line, we reach the place, and we forget the road. These may look like small examples, but they show a very serious problem. Now think about this. Google Maps only helps with directions, but AI can do much more. AI can write full essays, AI can write computer, AI can help with business decisions, AI can generate ideas. So a very uncomfortable question comes up. Is AI making people less smart? In the last few months, new scientific studies were published, and their results are shocking. Let's talk about them. The first study was done in 2025 by MIT Media Lab in the USA. In this study, 54 people were asked to write an essay. They were divided into three groups. The first group was allowed to use ChatGPT. The second group was allowed to use Google Search. The third group had to write everything by themselves. While they were writing, scientists measured their brain activity. What they found was surprising. People who used ChatGPT had the lowest brain activity. Their brain was almost switched off. This study continued for many months. After some time, these people became more lazy. By the end, they were just copying and pasting answers from ChatGPT. When scientists asked them what they wrote, they could not explain their own essay. But people who wrote by themselves remembered everything clearly. People who used Google were somewhere in the middle. The second study was done in 2025 by Microsoft and Carnegie Mellon University. They studied 319 office workers. They found that people who trust AI too much think less. Their problem-solving skills become weak. They stop thinking deeply. Their focus shifts from solving problems to only using AI tools and automating work. The third study was done on 666 people. It found a strong connection between heavy AI use and low critical thinking skills. The more people used AI, the less they thought on their own. This happens because of something called cognitive offloading. This means people give their thinking work to AI. Young people do this even more. All these studies show one clear thing: AI is affecting how our brain works. Some people say this fear is normal. Every new technology creates fear. This is true. Long ago, people were scared of books. They said books would destroy memory. Later, calculators came. People said children would forget math. Research later showed that calculators are not always bad. The real problem is overuse. The real danger started with Google. In 2011, scientists found something called the Google effect. When people know information is available online, they don't try to remember it. The brain remembers where to find information, not the information itself. Navigation apps made this problem worse. Finding directions uses a very important brain part called the hippocampus. This part helps with memory, learning, and imagination. A study on London taxi drivers found something amazing. They had to remember around 25,000 streets. Their hippocampus was much bigger than normal people. But people who use GPS all the time have weaker navigation skills. Their brain does not get trained. And this brain part is not only for directions, it also helps with memory and thinking. So when it becomes weak, many skills become weak. Now imagine the effect of AI. AI does our thinking work. Our brain likes to save energy. So when AI works, the brain rests. But the brain learns only when it struggles. No struggle means no learning. The biggest danger is for students and beginners. They skip boring work, writing essays, summarizing documents, writing basic code. These boring tasks build strong thinking skills. If you don't know the basics, you cannot check if AI is wrong. You won't even know when AI makes a mistake. So what is the solution? Stopping AI is not realistic. AI makes work faster. AI increases productivity. AI helps learning. The solution is balance. Just like the body needs exercise, the brain also needs exercise. Think by yourself first. Make mistakes. Try again. Then use AI as help, not the other way around. Learn writing. Learn math. Learn thinking. You don't have to choose between AI and intelligence. You can have both. Remember this, your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Thanks for watching this. Please like and share. Subscribe for more videos.